Edwin Allen High will be looking to retain their ISSA Ben Francis Cup title when they take on former champions Rossies in semi-final 2, and that's on Wednesday at Stets. Edwin Allen had previously defeated last season's Da Costa Cup champions Garvin Maceo 2-0 to make it to this stage. Meanwhile, Rossies had to get by a strong William Nib team 3-1 on penalties after a 0-0 regulation time scoreline. The other semi-final will see many-time champions Glenmuir High battling York Castle, who will be looking to win their first ever Ben Francis Cup title. Glenmuir hammered Frome Technical 4-0 in their quarter-final contest, while York Castle advanced with a 5-4 penalty kick win over Dintil Technical after a 2-2 regulation time scoreline. And we'll get to the Walker Cup now and tell you that former champions Tivoli High are through to the ISSA Walker Cup final after a 1-0 victory over many-time champion St. George's College at Stadium East on Tuesday. Dwayne Johnson was the hero for Tivoli High, scoring in the 26th minute. But just as St. George's started to show some impetus, they were dealt a blow when their number 9, Joshua Jackson, was sent off in the 56th minute of play. And the Light Blues received a lifeline 7 minutes later from the penalty spot. But, as you'll see coming up shortly, their top scorer, Brian Burkett, failed to convert from that opportunity. That was that.
4.5 years now, and it's a work in progress. What we see here, we have a lot to work on, same way, but as you can see, it's a work in progress, and it's a good step forward, this to get back Tivoli where we're supposed to be.
Well, it's a great feeling, and we enjoy the game, and it's been so long, Tivoli not come this far for how much years now, and to do this, I tell you, I enjoy it and feel nice and feel great in yourself.
Haile Selassie High were sent into pandemonium after Jawain Payne scored his 10th goal of the season to help them set up a final date with Tivoli and St. Wolmer's backing. Payne scored the lone strike off his lethal left foot in the 57th minute to give Haile Selassie a shot at securing their first ever schoolboy football title.
We have a small team in Haile Selassie, that really know how to work, how to do well, and today they really prove that they can play, and the opportunity that we create in the game, we should have scored, at least 2 more goals,
The final will be played this Friday at Sabina Park starting at 4 p.m.